Today we're going to use our Aloha Shoyu DaYaki Sauce to make wings. Now, I've already rinsed my chicken and patted it down so that it's dry and doesn't spatter too much in the oil. I got my oil nice and hot. Let's drop these wings in. I like to make sure that I use a lot of oil so that my wings are completely immersed in the oil as they cook. And there you go, they're almost ready to go. I'm gonna put these on this rack right here and separate them so they don't stick together, and also let them sit so that the oil drips through. Once they're nice and dry, I'm going to go ahead and pop these in a bowl and get ready to add my sauce. Okay, I'm ready to add my sauce. One of the things that I love about this DaYaki sauce is that it's right out of the bottle. I don't have to do anything for this marinade right here. Just simply pour it in. This is the regular. If you like it spicy, there is a spicy DaYaki sauce that you can use as well, but I like regular buffalo wings when I'm looking for spice. This is gonna give me just a nice teriyaki flavor that I'm looking for. And you know what, guys? You can use as much or as little as you like. I don't like my wings wet, so I'm just going to put this much here and then just toss it up in there to get a nice coating. You can also leave this in here for 5 to 10 minutes to get a stronger flavor if you'd like. Now that they're nice and mixed in there, I'm going to go ahead and plate them. That's it, guys. I'm going to go ahead and garnish with some green onions and sesame seeds, and I'm ready to eat. That's it, guys. We're ready to eat, but we want to hear from you. What is your recipe using Aloha Shoyu for wings? Share in the comments below.